फासलों को तकल्लुफ़ है हमसे अगर
Muslim Community Mosque, MCM Phoenix, Arizona, USA.
बेसहारा नहीं।
Journey starts here about 30 years ago. In those early years, this land was nothing more than dust and open desert.
रास्ते
Reaching a place of worship was not easy. Families traveled long distances, especially for Jummah prayers, often struggling to stay connected as a community.
तन्हा निकल जाएंगे और
Then came a moment of faith and courage. In 1995, this property was purchased for just $50,000, not without hesitation. Many questioned the decision who would come, how many people would pray in such a place, and etc.
ढूंढते ढूंढते
At that time, Phoenix had only 8,000 Muslim population. Today, that belief has grown into a community of over 60,000.
आएगा बंदगी का करीना बदल जाएगा सर
And Muslim Community Mosque Phoenix remains a cornerstone of worship, unity, and service right in the heart of the city.
कौन से सजदे टपक जाएंगे नाम आका जहां भी लिया जाएगा
Muslim Community Mosque of Phoenix is recognized as one of the earliest organized Muslim institutions in Arizona.
जाएगा नूर ही नूर सीनों में भर जाएगा सारी महफिल में जलवे टपक जाएंगे
At that time, there were very few Muslims in Phoenix and no established mosque infrastructure. Religious activities were held in rented spaces, storefronts, and community halls.
मुझको यूं मत सुना
Establishment of a permanent masjid, MCM Phoenix became the first known permanent mosque building in Phoenix, a major milestone for Muslims in Arizona. The mosque served not only as prayer space but also as a community center, a place of dawah, a hub of Islamic identity and stability in a region where Muslims were a small minority.
फिर को है कितना
For many years, MCM Phoenix was the central mosque for the entire city, long before multiple mosques existed. Old building is dilapidated, and plan was to convert it into something like bigger, better, stronger, and more efficient, and able to worship for Muslims to practice their values. In the old building, not just everything worn out, but also not designed and made for worship. Due to a lack of finances and resources, it was not possible to change everything right away.
को पुकारेंगे हम दूर से रास्ते में अगर पाँव थक जाएंगे तमन्ना है
Even the classrooms were made with a partition of a curtain, which would even allow the noises coming from outside and create disturbance. Children coming here with a great motivation, but they were suffered with so much struggle in learning Quran and practice the values of Islam, but their courage and passion was truly inspiring.
साज़े हस्ती आखरी हिचकी फरिश्ते नगमाए सल्ले अला जब गुनगुनाते हों
There was a donation box in the mosque which no one knows how old is even that. But the shape and the condition we can understand how old would that be. Due to a very small population, even the donations were not enough to meet and cover the maintenance expenses.
इशारों से शहर दोस्त
Even the front entrance and doors were worn out badly.
शबे
It is a breathtaking sight to see young children hand in hand with their siblings entering with pure intentions to pray for the sake of Allah. After standing for decades without proper construction, the building has suffered severe damage from Arizona's intense heat, wind, and rain. During storms, water leaks through the ceiling and lack of proper insulation allows cool air to escape, resulting in significant energy waste and high electricity bills.
दिल में सितारे
In addition, the outdated electrical setup not only makes daily operations difficult but also possess serious safety risks. As the community continued to grow, the building became too small to accommodate everyone.
हो सारे
Temporary canopies were placed outside the mosque for prayer, but in Phoenix's extreme heat, this arrangement neither safe nor suitable.
अपनी बख्शवाते हों सफारिश करके जो उम्मत को अपनी बख्शवा
Eventually, the community began construction of a new mosque after receiving approval from the city despite not having sufficient funds secured in the bank. The management invested tremendous efforts into this project, placing donation appeals wherever possible. These donations are essential not only for constructing the building but also for supporting its ongoing maintenance and daily operations.
आते हों दमे मुश्किल जो हर एक बेनवा के काम आते हों बयां हो क्या शकील इस बज़्म दिल की
The old masjid did not even have proper prayer rugs. Instead, the carpet were worn out and covered with patches throughout.
वसानी
Despite every challenge, the Muslim community remained encouraged and determined to bring about meaningful change, creating something truly worthwhile for future generations. Day or night, community members were consistently present, accompanied by families and their children.
हो क्या शकील उस बज़्म की जलवा सामानी बयां हो क्या शकील
Building a new mosque from ground up was not less than a dream. The process took years of careful planning and overcoming numerous challenges, securing permits, completing electrical work, designing the architecture, laying sewer lines, and sourcing materials. All credit goes to the management whose tireless efforts made this remarkable achievement possible for the Muslim community at the heart of the city.
एक रिंद है और मिदहत सुल्तान मदीना एक रिंद है और मिदहत सुल्तान
Progress came brick by brick, slower than planned due to financial constraints. Yet, the unwavering prayers of the entire Muslim community elevated the project to remarkable heights.
ऐ खाके मदीना तेरी गलियों के तसद्दुक
Along the way, countless unseen blessings and miracles unfolded, making this achievement truly extraordinary.
सिवा सिफत सुल्तान मदीना इस तरह के
The transformation is clear for all to see. The new mosque stands in remarkable contrast to the old structure.
का गम याद खुदा दर्द शिफात दौलत है यही दौलत
No doubt, this mosque enjoys a prime location just 4 miles away from airport, close to major business centers, shopping plazas and malls. It is also near the main hub of the city's commerce, with hiking trails in the nearby mountains only a few miles away.
मुझको किसी से काफी है बस
The foundation of any building is its most critical element, supporting everything above it. Laying a strong and reliable base required immense time and resources. Even then, it was difficult to predict exactly how the building would take shape or how long would it take to complete.
फुसुरदा कदम लरजीदा लरजीदा चला हूँ एक
The dome and roof framework finally took shape, giving the mosque a striking new look.
एक मुजरिम की तरह मैं जानी बेते
During a crucial stage of construction, the management chose to ready the mosque on one of the Fridays of Ramadan. They cleaned the entire floor and arranged a temporary prayer space, turning to Allah with heartfelt devotion. Leading this effort, the president of mosque management made it happen despite the blazing heat, the missing roof, and the unfinished floor. All the dust was cleared, prayer rugs were laid, and dedicated ladies' compartment was carefully designed. Imam Hafiz Ghufran, one of the most recognized member of the board, can be seen throughout the mosque at all times, diligently keeping operations organized and orderly. At last, within the new mosque, the name of Allah echoed for the very first time, filling the space with peace, devotion, and indescribable beauty.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
Mosque President Brother Mustafa regularly provided updates on the progress of the new building, especially on Fridays. He would welcome all suggestions and innovative ideas from the community. During that Ramadan Friday prayer, an unprecedented number of Muslim community members braved the intense heat to pray for the swift completion of MCM Phoenix. Their devotion and love for the Islam filled every corner, far beyond what the old mosque could have held.
पाकीज़ा पाकीज़ा फ़िज़ा संजीदा संजीदा हवा पाकीज़ा पाकीज़ा फ़िज़ा संजीदा संजीदा बसारत खो गई लेकिन बसीरत तो सलामत है
The president of MCM Phoenix always emphasized prayer over financial support, believing that sincere dua is more powerful than any practical effort. His approach proved effective as the community witnessed the rapid progress of the new masjid. A massive machinery arrived, turning into reality what the community had envisioned for so long.
इक़बाल जिसको नाज़ था कल खुश मिजाजी पर वही इक़बाल जिसको नाज़ था कल खुश मिजाजी पर फ़िराक़े तैबा में रहता है अब रंजीदा रंजीदा मदीने का सफ़र है और मैं नमदीदा नमदीदा
All of this was made possible through the sincere dua of every person who came to the masjid.
रज़ीदा मदीने का सफ़र है और मैं नमदीदा नमदीदा
By Allah's grace, everything proceeded smoothly without a single brick damaged. Finally, the massive minaret, weighing hundreds of tons, was placed inside the mosque, though the work was far from complete.
खुद उन्हीं को पुकारेंगे हम दूर से रास्ते में अगर पाँव थक जाएंगे निकल जाएंगे और गलियों में कस
After assembling the remaining parts of the minaret, it was lifted and carefully placed in its final position. With a larger mosque and a growing Muslim community, a spacious parking area became essential. An adjacent lot was purchased and converted into an extended parking space to meet this need.
जैसे ही सब्ज़ गुंबद नजर आएगा बंदगी का करीना बदल जाएगा.
Once the minaret and dome were set in their proper position, the mosque revealed a stunning and elegant appearance from every angle. From the inside, it may appear small, but from outside, it reveals a completely different and impressive perspective.
नाम आका जहाँ भी लिया जाएगा जिक्र उनका जहाँ भी किया जाएगा.
With Allah's help and continuous prayers of the Muslim community, the work on the mosque progressed smoothly without ever pausing.
सारी महफिल में जलवे टपक जाएंगे.
The difference is striking. Step out of the new mosque and compare it to the old one that served the community for over 3 decades.
ये दास्ताने सफर मुझको यूं मत सुना बात बढ़ जाए.
The next step was constructing the roof, a challenge not only in labor but also financially. Through the sincere prayers, Allah provided the means and project moved forward successfully. The mosque's appearance was completely transformed, with the dome, minaret, and roof structure adding a new level of beauty and elegance.
कितना शौक़ सफर.
After completing the roof, the interior partitions were carefully planned and constructed, accommodating wudu area, bathrooms, classrooms, a gift shop, and a spacious, well-designed kitchen.
जाएंगे फासलों को तकल्लुफ़ है हम.
The next crucial step was to insulate the entire building. Phoenix's intense heat made this essential to reduce electricity cost and prevent the loss of cooled air.
को पुकारेंगे हम दूर से रास्ते में अगर पाँव थक जाएंगे. तमन्ना है कि मरते वक्त भी हम
This spacious kitchen can prepare meals for 300 to 400 people in just 2 to 4 hours.
हो जब इस दुनिया से जाते हो बने काश इस दम साज़े हस्ती आखिरी हिच.
The mosque management provides the electrical setup and security cameras, enabling a live worldwide broadcast of Islamic lectures, events, and Tarawih prayers during Ramadan.
कि हम दीवाना वारों की तरफ जाएं मज़ा जब है कि हम दीवाना
The old building, not only aged but obsolete and poorly functioning, will be demolished, and the cleared land will be converted into an additional parking space.
शबे फुरकत की उन रंगीनियों पर जानो दिल सदके. शबे फुरकत की उन रंगीनियों पर जानो दिल सदके. तुम्हारी याद हो दिल में
As the new mosque near its completion, the old masjid still stands quietly beside it. For more than 3 decades, it welcomed worshippers, witnessed countless prayers, and became home to generations of memories. Soon, its door will close forever, while a new chapter begins, saying goodbye to the masjid that carried its community for decades is not easy. Its walls may come down, but the memories within them never will.
उम्मत को अपनी बख्श
Though the mosque now stands proudly from the outside, significant work still remains within. The management continues to remind the community that opportunities like this are rare. A chance to invest in a legacy that extends beyond this life. One day we will leave behind our wealth, possessions, and accomplishments. Only our deeds will accompany us. Every contribution toward the house of Allah is an investment in Sadaqah Jariyah, a reward that may continue through every prayer performed, every verse of Quran recited, and every soul guided within these walls by the mercy of Allah.
बयां हो क्या शकील इस बज़्म दिल की जलवसानी हबीबे
According to the mosque management, a detailed list of the material still required for the remaining work is readily available. Those who wish to contribute may do so either through financial donations or by providing the needed materials directly. The management can easily provide the complete list and further detail through the mosque office, allowing every supporter to take part in this blessed project according to their ability.
जलवसानी हबीबे किबरिया जिस बज़्म में तशरीफ लाते हूँ तमन्ना है कि मरते वक्त भी हम मुस्कुराते हों ज़ुबां पर या मोहम्मद हो जब इस दुनिया
The mosque management reminds the community that while donations and materials are important, since dua is even more powerful. Dua reaches the heavens and by Allah's will opens hearts and creates means for His house to be completed. Never underestimate the value of your prayers. If you cannot support financially, then support with your dua. Perhaps your prayers will be the reason Allah sends the help needed to complete this blessed mosque.
फिर भी ये आलम शाहों से सिवा सितवत सुल्तान मदीना इस तरह के एहसास हो मसरूफ इबादत देखूं मैं दरे दौलत सुल्तान मदीना कौनैन का गम याद खुदा दर्द शिफात दौलत है यही दौलत सुल्तान मदीना.
To everyone who contributed through dua, materials, services, time, or financial support, be proud and grateful that Allah chose you to serve His house. As you look upon this beautiful masjid, remember that your contribution is a part of a legacy that will remain for generations. By the mercy of Allah, every prayer offered within these walls may continue to add to your rewards in the hereafter long after you are gone.
मदीने का सफर है और मैं नमदीदा नमदीदा जटी अफसुरदा अफसुरदा कदम लरजीदा लरजीदा चला हूँ एक मुजरिम की तरह मैं जानिबे तैबा चला हूँ एक मुजरिम की तरह मैं जानिबे तैबा नजर शर्मिंदा शर्मिंदा बदन लरजीदा लरजीदा.
Management always emphasizes on dua over financial support. that when we make dua for this masjid, we are not only praying for a building. We are praying for our children, our grandchildren, and generations to come. We are asking Allah to keep them connected to His house and steadfast on the right path. That is why a sincere dua is no less valuable than financial support.
कहाँ है और कहाँ इस रोज़े अक़दस का नज़ारा, कहाँ है और कहाँ इस रोज़े अक़दस का नज़ारा। नज़र उस समत उठती है मगर दर्दीदा दर्दीदा। गुलामाने मोहम्मद दूर से पहचान जाते हैं, गुलामाने मोहम्मद दूर से पहचान जाते हैं। दिले गर्विदा गर्विदा सरे शौरीदा शौरीदा। मदीने जाके हम समझे तब तुस किस को कहते हैं, मदीने जाके हम समझे तब तुस किस को कहते हैं। हवा पाकीज़ा पाकीज़ा फ़िज़ा संजीदा संजीदा। हवा पाकीज़ा पाकीज़ा फ़िज़ा संजीदा संजीदा। बसारत खो गई लेकिन बसीरत तो सलामत है, बसारत खो गई लेकिन बसीरत तो सलामत है। मदीना हमने।
Although the mosque was not completed in time for Ramadan 2026 as originally planned, the management arranged iftars in new masjid, giving the community a glimpse of what it is yet to come. The sight was beautiful, families gathering together, children filling the halls, and believers breaking their fast under the roof of Allah's house. It was a powerful reminder for the blessings this masjid will bring when fully completed, serving as a center of worship, unity, and guidance for generations to come. Take the advantage of this blessed opportunity while the doors of Allah's mercy are open. Support this project in any way you can through dua, donations, materials, services, or by simply sharing its message with others. This is more than building a masjid. It is an investment in our children, our future generations, and preservations of Allah's house long after we are gone. The efforts we make today may help keep generations connected to their faith for years to come. With the completion of the dome and minaret, the mosque emerged as a landmark of the vibrant Muslim community. Its striking architecture can be seen from the air, the mountains, nearby freeways, and surrounding streets, giving the mosque a unique and unmistakable identity. Even after the completing most of the construction, about 20% of the interior work remains. The management planned to open the new building in Ramadan 2026, which unfortunately did not happen because of lack of finances for the completion of the MCM Phoenix. We are planning to offer the next Ramadan in 2027 within this new MCM Phoenix, and it will be named as Red Dome Peace Center. From dust to devotion, from uncertainty to impact, this is the story of MCM Phoenix. Thank you for watching.
आएगा बंदगी का करीना बदल जाएगा। सर झुकाने की फुर्सत मिलेगी किसे, खुद ही पल